Beko Dishwasher error. E01 indicates a water leak into the base of the machine, which has activated the anti-flood protection system. Here is how to fix this issue quickly. First, disconnect the dishwasher from the power supply to ensure your safety. The error appears when water collects in the tray beneath the washing chamber and lifts the float sensor. Your task is to remove this water. The simplest way is to pull the dishwasher out and tilt it backward at an angle of about 45 degrees. Make sure to place towels on the floor beforehand, as water will start to drain from underneath the unit. Once the water stops leaking and the bottom of the dishwasher is dry, the sensor will drop, which automatically resets the error. After drying, plug the dishwasher back in and run a test cycle. If the E01 error returns quickly, it means there's a leak that needs to be located. The most common culprits are worn door seals, cracked spray arms, or loose inlet hoses. Sometimes, using the wrong detergent can also cause excessive foam, leading to an overflow. If the dishwasher is dry but the error persists, there may be a fault with the float sensor itself or the electronics, which might require a technician. However, in most cases, simply tilting and drying the machine solves the problem.